They always tell you the truth in these movies. Pay attention.
I absolutely love this topic, okay? When I was in college, I took metaphysics and I wrote my final paper on how water is actually the fourth dimension and how it's actually space is just a different density of water. And he gave me a B. So I was kind of onto something. You know what I'm saying? Okay, okay. Anyway, when you look at it, this 3D that we're in, like the world that we're in right now, like the room that I'm in right now, there's water in the air. Wouldn't this be considered water? Like it's bad water particles. I mean, there's what's the other thing? Nitrogen in the air as well too. There's also yeah, there's a whole bunch of other stuff in the air, but there's water in this air, right? This is just that density of it. It's a gas. The water in the air is a gas right now. Though I'm literally touching water, but it's a gas, okay? And then the water, that's water, like the ocean, it's in its liquid form. That's the more denser form. And then when it comes to space, it just gets really, 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 really dense. But I'm just trying to incorporate the time aspect of the fourth dimension because um let me think that in the fourth dimension time is fluid. So it's almost kind of like I don't know, I had to make the correlation between like, things being frozen in time, like cavemen, mammoths, like them being like fully preserved and frozen in water is also representation of how like time is so fluid in water. I don't know. That part was a little shaky. That's a little shaky. Okay, and here's the last part for people who know that extraterrestrials are real and if you ever like research any extraterrestrials, you would know there's like whole races out there that um are marine like there's literal dolphin extraterrestrials. We've actually seen that on SpongeBob. I'll insert a picture. Hopefully I can insert a picture. We've seen that on SpongeBob. There's a manatee race of extraterrestrials. There's a whole bunch of aquatic life like type extraterrestrials. There's also insectoids, but that's a whole different story. But yeah, no. Um, space is definitely given water. And shout out to the creator of this video that I stitched because she ate. I like how she broke it down and gave you guys examples, but definitely watch that. But yeah, I think another big part is like as above, so below. It's just like, I don't know, like wouldn't we run into I don't know, I just the deep deep sea just gives space vibes. It's cold, it's dark. I don't know. Yeah, it just gave space to me.